Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read for you. And Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see Aquarius, how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what action we can expect in this connection. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, I'm going to be setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'll have your dialogue message cards, action cards, etc. But for the duration of the reading, Aquarius, for me this is going to be person A, this is going to be person B. If this is your story, you'll know which side you resonate best with. Aquarius and their person, all right. Person A and person B. All right, so bottom of my deck, Aquarius, I have the Temperance card. So somebody wants to heal things with you, it seems. They really want to come forward and do the right thing maybe, or heal things. So let's see what's happening here. For person A, they feel kind of tricked in a situation. They feel I've been tricked. I mean, my person was not behaving authentically, and they do want to get over whatever toxicity that's happened in this connection. Where the other person is concerned, I do see them as very powerful in the sense they do want to take action, they do want to return. So there is a sense of reconciliation going on here from what I see. At least energetically, that's what both of you want. Though I do still say person A not very happy with person B. Okay, anyways, let's, before I say more, Aquarius, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aquarius and their person. And Aquarius, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aquarius and their person. All right. I'm going to take a few more Aquarius from the other deck. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. All right. Good to go, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. 1 second. All right, so the first card here, Aquarius, says, telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. But they will have to. This is the King of Wands, I think, saying that. King of Wands has a bit of pride. Even if they want to come back, they kind of hide it behind that I don't care attitude. This lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully I can do better next lifetime. You may not be perfect, but you're perfect for me. Manifesting myself so I can be good enough to win you back. See, I said somebody desperately wants to now come back and return and be the person that maybe person A always wanted. I'm angry with you, but really, I'm angry at myself. Have you moved on with someone else who treats you better than I did? That thought is so painful. I'm not sure if you love me for me or who you think I am. All right, Aquarius, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Wise decisions. All right, Aquarius, somebody has to make some wise decision for their life now. whether to make up, break up, give somebody another chance, or whatever. So it's time to make some wise decisions for yourself. Let's see what these are referring to. I'm going to start with the energy of person A. Now, Aquarius, you could be either side, right? For me, this is person A and this is person B. So, two energies, you will know which side you resonate with. So, person A has the Magician in reverse. Spirit, why is that? And the Devil in reverse. Magician in reverse and the Devil in reverse. Why are they feeling like that? Magician in reverse. I think this is a good couple, King of Pentacles to the Queen of Pentacles. But the feeling I'm getting from these cards, Aquarius, is that the feminine energy is kind of a bit pissed off with the masculine at the moment. They feel they're not interested in talking to them, maybe keep giving them the silent treatment. This could be in a stable connection, could be a marriage or a long-term partnership or something like that. What's this Magician, Spirit? Somebody wants to open up maybe here as well. Somebody wants to open up. End the fight, yes. They feel things are not going the right direction. Somebody wants to maybe end the fight here as well, and they want to now get over whatever toxicity that's happened in this connection. Yes, they're wanting to come out of this place of sorrow, regret, not talking, sulking, whatever's going on in this connection, I don't know. But person A also wants to get out of. I'm seeing it on the other side, that's what I'm saying also. But person A definitely wants to not be, doesn't want to have any regrets or sorrow or sadness. Because this is a strong connection, this is a committed relationship from what I'm feeling, or at least wishing it would be, I don't know. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? 9 of Cups in reverse. Somebody was a little unhappy with their person. Yes, they were feeling betrayed or feeling let down, feeling maybe a little depressed here, sad, not feeling emotionally very happy, but still wanting peace in their life. Yes, they could have been a little fight here, Aquarius, but somebody, I think he was either blocking the other person and just trying to find peace within themselves, if you guys had a fight, let's say, and the other person says, hey, I'm going to lock myself in a room and just be at peace with myself. But I think heart of hearts, they do love their person. Yeah, somebody just wanted a little time of reflection. Somebody just wanted a little bit of time to think, to, be by themselves, think about what wise decisions I think they have to make in their life. A little bit of sadness, maybe feeling a bit rejected, dejected, lonely. A bit of me time, I would say. This doesn't look very serious to me. King of Pentacles, Spirit? King of Pentacles. They thought if I pretend to walk away, if I say, hey, I'm not going to talk to you, or I'm going to walk away, they were hoping somebody would come and kind of apologize to them or say sorry to them. They wanted their person to kind of take charge of the situation and come and maybe, make up with them. Seems like a sweet reading. Yes, how does person A feel about this connection, Spirit? Person A has the 4 of Wands again in the upright. So yes, they are very committed to whatever this connection is. Maybe right now not feeling in the best. Not feeling in their element, feeling a little disrespected maybe, feeling there's nothing to look forward to. They don't want to end this connection, I don't think so. They're just kind of wanting things to be a little more balanced. They feel if I'm the Empress, I want my person to, treat me like an Empress and be the Emperor themselves. Come and show me and take charge and take control and balance my life out. I feel it's a bit lopsided here. Empress spirit, Empress, Empress, Empress. Yes, this Empress is just kind of holding back a little bit, trying to, uh, hold back and maybe just kind of, like I said, sulk. And Empress normally doesn't sulk, but yeah, maybe they're feeling a little, they want somebody else to make some choice or decision and be a little more in control of the situation. They feel it's time for me to receive. And that is what an Empress does. Then Empress just wants some choice to be made, some decision to be made. They want somebody to be the man around the house maybe, or just be more, in control of whatever situation is going on, maybe in the home or in this relationship. So what action person A will take, I'll open later. Aquarius, let's go on to the other side. Let's see what's going on here. Person A, okay, person B now. Person B is in the King of Wands energy. They know that their person is upset with them. They know that their person is angry with them, upset with them. They do want to take action. They don't like the stress. They want to come out of the stress of, having their household turned upside down. They don't want this to linger on for too long. And I think this King of Wands does want to take action and come back. Okay, they have sweet memories with person A, nothing to worry about. Six of Cups spirit, Six of Cups. Why do they feel like the Six of Cups? If they haven't been doing something or not making a decision about something, I think this person is ready. This person is ready to come and be emotionally open and not be wishy-washy anymore, no longer procrastinating or being, just doing nothing, about the situation. Person B definitely has sweet memories with person A. They do want to return back. Be the person who's going to make that decision, that wise decision, and be open with their emotions, and yes, be romantic and maybe apologize or whatever. That's how they're feeling. So what happened in the recent past, spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Three of Cups. They thought, one second, they thought everything was fine. They thought everything was fine. My person is fine. We are fine. There is no stress. They did kind of maybe feel there is something amiss, but they didn't take this very seriously. This person never kind of made any move to find out why person A is not feeling in their happiest or something. They were living a stress-free life, enjoying themselves, doing their thing, or maybe they did say something. Maybe they did say something which could have been a bit rude maybe, or maybe there was a little fight here. Person B didn't think very much of it. They thought they were just being honest. Yes, in their mind, they thought they were just saying the right thing. They were just being honest, and they may have said it in a little rash way, a little rude way here, apparently. They didn't think very much about it, and they really didn't think that person A would take it that seriously and get so stressed out about it. So how does person B now see this connection, spirit? Person B wants to move forward. They definitely want to move forward. I don't think they have anything bad in their heart. What's this, Chariot, spirit? Chariot. Yes, they realize things are a bit stuck right now, but they don't. They're not overly worried about it because they feel it's not toxic. It's going to get all right. I mean, right now, yes, things have kind of stalled or stuck because my person may be upset with me, but I'm going to move towards them and make everything right. I'm going to, whatever went wrong here in this toxicity, maybe they got drunk one night with their friends, or they partied too hard or something like that. They're coming with a message. Page of Wands, spirit. Page of Wands. They are coming to tell person A that, hey, listen, I do love you, and I'm very embarrassed and very ashamed of what I've done. Okay, so this is how they are seeing this connection, that with one message or with one wise decision or whatever, I mean, this is my soulmate. This is my soulmate. Yes, I acknowledge I did something wrong, and this is the message they want to give person A. And they're really hoping that things will start moving forward again, and the stuck energy will be out. And this is the lightest reading I think I've ever done on YouTube or for anyone else. This doesn't seem like a very big deal to me, except there's a bit of dispute, which can. Person B does love person A, that much I can guarantee. And person A also thinks quite strongly about this connection. I mean, the Four of Wands has come in twice for person A with the Hierophant card, so they also acknowledge that this is my person. So, person A, will you take any action towards person B? Four of Cups. Oh, they're feeling a little rejected, feeling a little bored, feeling a little dejected, feeling my person hasn't come to make up with me yet. So, will you take any action, or you're going to sit there and wait for person B? Four of Cups. Four of Cups. They are waiting and watching. They are just spying on person B. They have all these thoughts about what kind of marriage is this, or what kind of commitment is this. I'm not even sure whether I'm happy here. They are waiting. Actually, heart of hearts, as much as person A is saying all these things, and because they're a little depressed here, okay. But heart of hearts, they are waiting and watching to see if person B is going to return to them, if they're going to take any action to make up with them. Okay, let's see, person B, will you take any action? You need to. Person B has the Queen of Cups in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Oh, okay. So they feel my person is kind of not showing me love right now. They are a little upset with me. They're not emotionally, maybe they're a little overwhelmed right now. So I think person B is planning to kind of come forward, rush forward actually. Yes, they want to take action, and they want to take action in a very passionate way. They probably come in with some, you know what, right? So they want to come and please their person, so that this Queen of Cups, as upset as they are, will go back in the upright and start loving them again. So they feel with some TLC, tender loving care, and some hot passion, they can get this to go right once again. So person B is definitely planning to come towards person A with, yes, oh, they love you. Don't worry about it, Aquarius. King of Cups. Sometimes maybe they have a little bit of trouble in expressing how they feel, of saying the I love yous, but believe it or not, this person has a lot of passion for you, and they're coming for you. So get prepared, okay? Don't sit around. Go take a shower and do something, because this person definitely is going to come forward. They want to come and heal the situation between the two of you, okay? So let's take one for the Two of Cups as well. Sorry, the Temperance card as well. What's this Temperance card, Spirit? Which was the overall energy of our reading? Oh, healing is coming, Aquarius. Don't worry about it. Okay, so that's all I have for you. This was such a sweet reading. It made me happy. So till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.